Today I want to show you how to clean up your data a little bit. Over here you will see the way that I extracted the data is it came out a bit messy over here. So there's big spaces in front, uppercase and lowercase, and we don't want it like that. We want it to look very neat so that we can easily use the data in our spreadsheet. The thing that we don't want to do is we do not want to type it over like this. It's going to take a long time, especially if you have a very big spreadsheet. So the thing that we're going to do is we're going to use a formula so that we can easily drag the formula down, and so then it will be quick and easy. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to say equal, and then we're going to say proper. So what proper is going to do, it's going to convert our data in a proper format. Then we're going to also use trim. So what trim is going to do for us, it's going to trim all the spaces in between our words so that there's only one space the way it's supposed to look. And then we're going to choose our selected cell, and then we're going to close it with 2 brackets since we are using 2 formulas. Press enter, and there you will see the name of our business has come through without any issues. Then we can just drag our formula down, or we can even double click, and that's how you do that.